While making activities such as 3D printing might occur in a disciplinary or project-specific context, the processes at play and the skills developed are broadly applicable and benefits extend well beyond any one particular project. Whether to illustrate a concept, solve a problem, prototype a design solution, augment a presentation, or disrupt convention, markers develop transformative learning skills, design thinking, iterative problem solving, knowledge representation, and personal and collective empowerment ways of yielding tools, working meaningfully with one another and positively impacting the communities they serve. Marking can also be for its own sake, an opportunity to unwind between classes and be creative. The FabLab is open afternoons and evenings, 7 days a week with dedicated on-site facilitators to help you realize your ideas.